we gonna put this, well, we really not putting this in the microwave.
You don't want to.
Because you gonna start a house fire. We gonna throw this shit on the stove real quick. Follow me. I know how to work this stove. I don't know what I did.
You turned it off.
Yes. But you cook, right?
This is a different stove.
It's the same stove.
Step 2. We're gonna be working
say that
on
one more time. So it's on you. Now say it.
Step 2. Can you see my face?
Yes.
Step 2.
Would you love me forever, baby?
What's happening? Alright, what it do, YouTube? Alright, today we bring to y'all a DIY homemade Snickers video, nigga edition. And I got Pat.
What's good?
I got David. Well, they call him DJ, we call him DJ, and this is Pat Pat. But today we're making the Snickers. I already showed y'all all the ingredients. I'm gonna drop the clip. You know what I'm saying, right there. And we're gonna shoot like everything that we got. I did the shortcut way. This is nigga Snickers. I ain't gonna cut up no peanuts, so I brought the peanut butter. I got marshmallow puff, cause I ain't wanna melt no marshmallows. We got vanilla extract, cause a nigga not about to be outside picking no vanilla beans. And then we got some caramel syrup, cause I'm not about to be melting no caramel cubes. You feel me? And then we got the Hershey's the chocolate drops, which I left in the motherfucking car, and it kind of melted already anyway, so we skipping steps. And then we got the Planters peanuts, you know what I'm saying? Add the little peanuts on the top of the motherfucker.
We got Packer to test him.
And Pat is gonna test it. So yeah, that's what we doing today. And y'all, if y'all enjoyed the video, man, go ahead and like, leave a comment, subscribe. Tell your auntie just come watch it, cause I'm pretty sure they don't know how to make homemade Snickers. And if y'all wanna keep on buying them high ass Snickers at the store, keep on buying them $2 ass Snickers. But go ahead and buy your own ingredients. I paid $15 for the ingredients, and we're gonna make about 30 Snickers, no cap.
20.
Hey, but I'm adding a twist to it though. They gonna be edible Snickers. That's why I got my chef man here today. Cause if I was in the kitchen by myself making this shit, I probably would have burnt it. That's why I have a professional show me how to do it. So we gonna get right to this, and we gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying, each ingredient and what we using and why we using it and what it's for. Step we gotta do, we gotta make the chocolate. But not make the chocolate because I skipped that step and just bought the Hershey's chocolate. So what we doing, we gotta melt the Hershey's chocolate. On the ride over here, it melted because it was 137 degrees.
Then we got the, you know, the Hershey's bar, you know what I'm saying? That motherfucker. Oh, this is chocolate chips.
Yeah. It just melted in the car, like while we was in the we did a lot today. Let me tell you that. We was driving around. I waited for Q for 30 minutes. He didn't come outside. Tell me what he was doing. Left his phone in his room and was in the living room.
Oh God.
Bro, yes.
That's some cute shit.
That is some cute shit. This one is melted too, but oh well, we in the hood, man. We gotta improvise. Oh!
Now you done got it everywhere.
She got the crumbs in it.
Yeah.
He said, oh.
This bitch. Oh.
And this ain't the nougat, right?
Nah. This is just the first layer. This is the chocolate. We melting the chocolate.
He said, "Fuck, you can put that in there."
It's cool. Just throw a little butter in there. Spruce it up.
Throw a little butter in there. Spruce it up. Cause this one is already melted. This is what it's gonna come out looking like. You know what I'm saying? When we layer it, we got to layer it. It's gonna look like the chocolate fudginess, the goodness. But it's all getting stuck in the bag. So this part we're gonna have to like speed up. I'm gonna show y'all this is gonna be sped up. And David over there mixing the butter. That's the edible butter.
Like that seaweed.
This right here is over 1,000 milligrams.
Over?
cc's, megahertz.
When y'all say that.
It's dirty up.
Yeah, Josh be saying that shit all the time.
It'll be different.
And what is that?
It can mean what you want to me. What you want it to mean? Yeah, at this rate, we're gonna make 2
Do it
chocolate
smell
bars.
like good tree? Ooh,
Loud.
shit. Shoot. Sorry.
Kids don't cuss like Hannah Banana.
Trying, you not getting in the video?
I just got content. My hand just like them motherfucker.
Bro, fuck it, I'm about to just go ahead and squeeze on this hell.
Throw the rapper in there too, fuck it. Whoever find a
I
rapper
think
at
that's
Snickers get
good.
to go to kitchen.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. You don't have to get all of it. You still got the big ass bar at the bottom.
So don't get my money for it.
This chef always cleans up as they go, so I'm going to wash my hands.
You don't even
Supposed
cook
to eat
it.
as it goes. Wait, I thought
That's true too. Right?
by the time I finish cooking, I'm like, damn, I'm full.
I'm telling you. See, the whole thing about cooking with the edibles is I don't lick my fingers, I don't do none of that.
Because you're going to be
My
hot.
lessons, yes.
So we're not adding the butter actually to the chocolate. We add the butter to the nougat.
Okay, that's what I was thinking.
So we're going to put this, well, we really not putting this in the microwave
You don't want to.
because you're going to start a house fire. We're going to throw this shit on the stove real quick. Follow me. I'm going to work this stove.
Just like any of the
Oh.
other.
It's a regular stove.
I ain't see no knobs. Nigga, my knobs is right here. I don't know what I did.
You turned it off.
But you cook, right?
This is a different stove. than what-
It's the same stove.
My knobs is right here illuminated, okay? Alright, while that's doing right there, we gonna go to
Y'all can make something different.
step 2. We're gonna
Hold
be
on,
working
say that
on
one more time. So it's on you. Now say it.
step 2. Can you see my face?
Yes.
Step 2. Yeah, we need another. We gonna get it. Oh, that's the same one thing he had a video.
You said
No, this is the finished
That's what the
product.
nougat, ain't it?
Always be prepared. Corona going around, so we double washing everything. This is our clean up.
Wash your hands.
Double wash already.
Use your mask.
What you say?
Wash your hands. Use your mask.
Yep.
I mean, we ain't got masks on, but it's okay.
Definitely their business stuff.
None of
And
that.
what we doing with this one, we putting on a light sizzle. We're not gonna have it on too high. We're gonna have a light sizzle going on right here. You know what I'm saying? The stove is kind of illuminated. We're gonna have it on a light sizzle so you don't burn the chocolate on the bottom. Sizzle. Get the sizzle. Some light sizzle. All right. We're gonna come back to that in about 37 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I got some Lowry seasoning salt.
So what?
Lowry seasoning salt.
we need seasoning salt for Snickers?
Yeah.
Hell no.
A little paprika to it.
He playing. He
Which part of that did I miss?
David's over there chef filleting up the chocolate. All right, so with the nougat, we're going to melt the butter.
Every time they say nougat, he over here cracking up.
The butter's already melted. And see, the nougat's already melted.
He said ass.
You make me cut that shit off.
The bottom filling of the Snicker is going to be made by none other than that Jif and that Crass, that
Marshmallow stuff.
marshmallow cream.
Marshmallow stuff.
It sounds professional. All right, so we're gonna have to mix that together. And they say a tablespoon, but we niggas, we just gonna.
We gonna put a whole bunch of. We just gonna put a whole bunch in there.
Nasty. I want
It's
to know
new.
how that smells.
And it's new. It smells like marshmallows. If you want to whiff, oh damn. Oh damn.
Do you
Oh, damn.
know? Why don't you just do that in it?
We trying to be professional. Niggas don't do that.
Like major pain.
There we go.
Let me smell.
Y'all want to smell?
I want to smell.
Let the camera smell it. Move. There you go. Reprising the GIF. We're revisiting the GIF right here. We're gonna put the Jif. I'm gonna let my chef man do that because I don't got the culinary arts certificate.
You don't know none.
We're gonna put that right there in that pan right there. I heard that.
Gentleman.
Medium-sized pan. See, this is that medium-sized pan we were talking about. And then we're gonna put it. Look at that. That's gonna be some new good.
New good. That good enough?
Yeah, that's. And then we're gonna add the same amount. And they said do it overheat. But we're not doing it overheat, we're doing it over a countertop. And we're gonna put it on the heat and then we're gonna reprise it. You know what I'm saying?
Turn that chocolate down a little bit.
I thought I was smelling something.
I was like, Mama.
My hands look all messy and shit. I don't want to get that on.
So what I'm doing over here, I'm trying to get the chunks out of the chocolate. We're gonna melt it all the way down to a pulp.
So what?
To a pulp.
Let me see your hand.
You see how it's still clumpy? Take a look for me. It's still a little bit clumpy. You see the little clumps, you know what I'm saying? We trying to get the clumps up out of there. Cause Snickers don't be having clumps. It be drizzle, but it don't be clumps. So we're gonna get all them clumps up out of there. So we're gonna let that sit for a minute. Come on, take a ride with it. All right, so the next step while David's over here mixing up the nougat, we're gonna be, you know what I'm saying, getting that butter smooth. You see, it's a little bit of clumps in there, but you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get that smoothed out, you know what I'm saying? We don't want to.
You go ahead and mix that up for you.
Pat can go ahead and do that. Look, I went and took the shortcut way, and then I bought chocolate. The syrup, the caramel syrup. If I would have bought the little caramel cubes, we would have had, you know what I'm saying, use that pan right there and melt the caramel. But I ain't want to do all that. It was just a little bit too much because we're already doing a lot right there.
Yeah.
Come on in.
I was like, here, you want to switch? I hope you know.
All right, I'm about to mix these two up.
That is so dope.
What?
This.
And it literally is dope. It is dope.
And I'm getting the nougat all like mixed up right here, the bottom layer, as we should say. And we're gonna wait for her to pour that little butter off in here. And when she gets done, you know what I'm saying, stirring the butter. We're not gonna use too much butter. Not a lot of butter. We're gonna, you know what I'm saying, we don't wanna have everybody dead. We wanna have everybody have a good time. So we're gonna let that sit over the stove a little bit, you know what I'm saying?
Whip out, Pat.
How much you think is gonna be good enough for somebody to
Not
digest?
OD.
Yeah. Not OD.
No, I'm fucking.
That's strong.
Yeah, we good.
You have to put a whole thing in, David.
Nah, we good now.
Shit, fuck us or kill us.
We making some more nougat.
I'm trying to focus. There we go.
Well, like somebody ate Taco Bell.
We calling this hors d'oeuvres.
Force Divers. Yo, the Force Divers, hit us up.
He said you was hors d'oeuvres.
He whipping it.
Oh yeah, that's it.
You cook like you cook fresh Leo.
Yeah.
Wait till
It's because I like to cook. That's it. I did this. So. I went to school for a year and a half for that.
class?
No, TCC.
Listen, we did have a cooking class.
For that 1 year, till she passed out them pictures of them pussies and got fired.
Yeah, come on, Pat, get into the
Hurricane
program.
Rich, Hurricane Rich.
He do look like Hurricane First.
Get on his head, Pat. Get on his head, Pat. You're terrible.
I'm gonna let Crazy Legs live tonight.
Ready?
Alright, so we down to the third step of the nougat, not the third step of the Snickers. We just add a little bit of vanilla extract. It's the imitation. I wasn't bothered enough to get a lot. There we go. That's all you need right there. A little drip drop, take it to the top.
We got $2
First step, melt the chocolate.
Boom,
Second step, get the nougat ready.
boom.
Third step, caramel. It's already melted, it's already in a little drizzle. So what we gonna do, we gonna make the Snickers go this way. So we can have a lot of them. And we gonna just use a spoon, you know what I'm saying, dry the chocolate first, and then we put the nougat layer on, and then we put the caramel layer on, and then we put the peanuts on, and then the second layer
Of chocolate.
of chocolate.
Alright.
David here ain't little either.
Far from it, nigga. Hey, I ain't gonna deny it.
Coach is like, David, hand him here.
Lastly, adding that last layer of a chocolate latte over the top of it.
Damn. I'm doing the same thing Pat did. Fuck it up. Hey, I remember that nigga Tron used to get them tacos before practice and suck the meat out them hoes. Bro, I used to look at that nigga from the corner of my eye like,
Feel like this nigga
give me one of those motherfucking tacos.
Last step,
In the freezer.
gotta move the gizzards.
Tell them how long it takes to freeze.
I skipped that part of the video, I ain't even gonna lie to you. So we'll leave it in there until it go hard.
Hey, that ain't sound right neither.
Look at him.
I'm better than what I I'm ashamed of myself.
If y'all enjoyed the video, man, go ahead and like, leave a comment, subscribe. Tell your aunties come watch it, because I'm pretty sure they don't know how to make homemade Snickers. And if y'all want to keep on buying them high-ass Snickers at the store, keep on buying them $2 ass Snickers. But go ahead and buy your own ingredients. I paid $15 for the ingredients, and we're going to make about 30 Snickers, no cap. I mean, 20 of them.